Enough of lies and promises to lose weight. This unique fat destroyer eliminates 7 kilograms in just 1 month. Results guaranteed. The newest research that cumin has the ability to aid weight loss process in really short time. Nevertheless, this herb has been used since ancient time due to its amazing properties. You can also lose weight by taking clenbuterol. Here are the clenbuterol side effects. According to some experts, just 1 tablespoon of cumin on a daily basis can help us lose a lot of weight. Besides reducing the fat levels, cumin has the ability to lower blood cholesterol as well. The study included 88 women of different ages and weights who were divided into 2 randomly selected groups. The participants in both groups were on strict diet with 500 calories less than usual. The difference was that the participants from one of the groups were given 1 cup of yogurt with cumin. After 3 months, the results showed that those who consumed cumin had much better results. Moreover, there was an enormous difference in cholesterol and body fat levels. This means that cumin is abundant in phytosterols, which helps us absorb cholesterol from the blood and certain organs. Moreover, the experts believe that cumin accelerates the metabolism of people as well. How to take cumin seeds. In order to get the best benefits from cumin, you need to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder in every meal. For instance, you can add it to salads, eggplant soups, peas, stews, couscous, eggs, lamb beans, pork, etc. The consumption of cumin on a daily basis along with your healthy meals will help you lose weight in no time. So don't hesitate and start consuming it right away. You will lose 7 kilograms in just 1 month without starving and exercises. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.